my stairs looks like. This is just insane. Can't believe it's this high. Let me open this door and put your slide away. Okay. Wow. Wow, look at that. I don't know if I'll be able to make it up these stairs. Let's look at that. Let's see if we can find the stairs here. Wow, there's a good foot. Look at all this snow on top of my barbecue. Look at all that snow on top of the barbecue. That's easily 12, 13 inches. Oh, I made it up the stairs. Look how deep this snow is. Look at this. It's almost up to my knees. That's a good foot and a half of snow. Look at all this snow coming down. Look at this. It's just a blizzard. Wow, that's insane. Can't believe it. Look at this. 2 lawnmowers. The snow is all the way up to the hoods. Hear that wind? This is just insane, man. Look at all this snow. Look at this. Look at that snow on my barbecue. That's a good foot. 2 feet of snow on top of the barbecue. Look at my house. It's just impaled with snow. There's just no build up on the awnings. It's just crazy. Look at this. Okay, let's walk around and see how bad the driveway is. Okay, look at this. Look at this drift in front of my door. Let's go around. Well, I can't go around that way. Let's see if I can get over here. Okay. Look, standing at my door, looking down the side of my garage door. Look at this. Can you see this drift? See that? Look. That's easily 2 feet of snow right there in front of my truck. Look. It's as high as my truck bumper. Look. See that? It's even with my truck bumper. That's easily 2 feet of snow. It's just insane. Look at this. There's so much snow. It's coming off the roof. It's coming off the roof of my garage. Look. Look at that. It's gonna fall off my garage. We got like 2 feet of fucking snow out here. This is insane. Can't believe how much snow. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with my snowblower today, man. I barely walk out here. The wind's blowing so bad. Here, look at my back porch. Look at my back porch. Look at that. You have to push the snow out of the way to open the door to let the dog out. Okay, look at this snow. There, look. See that? As high as my truck bumper, man. Over there on the side of my truck by the fence, it's all the way up to the hood of my truck. There's easily like 2-3 feet of snow. It's probably 2 feet. It's probably 2 feet of snow here.